Good afternoon, traders. It is November 12th, Tuesday, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was very quiet today. I think the overall market was pretty quiet. Traders just kind of sitting back and not doing too much. And if you look at like the Dow Jones or something, a very narrow range today. Still, we were pretty active today, actually. Didn't have a bad day. Normally in this kind of down to sideways action, the Dow actually lost 32 points today. So it wasn't a great day that way, but we still did pretty well. We closed out over $3,600 in closed out trades, and we're carrying nearly $3,000 in open trade. So, that is not a spectacular day, but it's still, it sure beats losing. It totals up close to $6,000, and so I'm pretty happy with that. We came back a little from what we were carrying into today from yesterday. We got into one bad trade in Tesla Motors, and we really got hammered, about $3,000 in Tesla. And if we hadn't had that one bad trade, we would have had a much better day, but we still had a good day. Can't complain about today at all. Anyway, let me show you the charts. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see here, like starting 4 days ago, we had this huge range here, and then 2 days ago, big up range. Look at the ranges on those 2 days, and then compare them with what we had yesterday and today. You can see we're trading in a very narrow range, and yesterday actually set a record high. Today we're down below the record, but we're just hovering below the record. So this is just a market kind of consolidating a little before it moves higher. Still obviously very, very strong. I'll show you a couple interesting trades we had today. This is in 3D Systems. This has just been a great market for us lately. You can see going back here, I think this trade a few days ago, we made about $4,000 in that. We got into another one. I think that was good for over $1,000. And then yesterday, we jumped back into 3D Systems and then got out today with over $3,000 out of 3D Systems. So that's just a really great market for us. I'll show you another really interesting market that we also made quite a bit of money in today. This is Sears Holding Corporation, and that's SHLD. And we got into this yesterday. It just kept really going very strong. And this morning, this thing opens negative against us, and then it starts moving up. And what I wanted you to see is look at this spike. This is not bad data. I was sitting here watching this thing, and when, if somehow we would have known, got out there at the top of that spike, I think this thing was good for close to $6,000, but it came back right away. It retreated from that. It was not going to hold up to that at all. Looks like where we got out was kind of a crappy place, but actually we still made over $3,000 in Sears Holding Corporation. So that was a real good market for us today. Anyway, had a good day, not a spectacular day, but pretty positive stuff all around. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.